Hello friends, how can we transform any red color object to black color object? Let's start the video. So first we input the image into Photoshop. Then create a duplicate layer. Next adjustment layer. Hue saturation. Select point simple. Increase and decrease the radius depending on your image. Again adjustment layer, selective color, increase and decrease the radius depending on your image. And again adjustment layer, Vibrance, increase and decrease the radius depending on your image. Finally our work is done. So in this way we can easily change the color of any object. Stay with us by subscribing the channel to get such videos. Thank you.